Hey, this is Paul, and thank you for checking out Don Burnett's hybrid called the Lost Dutchman. It's weighing in at 1/10 of a pound of fruit, and you can see it's still green. It was on the vine for 173 days. And look at the flower. It's absolutely stunning. I would consider this an ornamental. And if you'd like to know the background of this plant, it's actually the rickrack cactus, Solanacereus anthonianus, crossed with a epi called Going Bananas. And look at this fruit. So I expect this to be more of an ornamental variety. It's more grown for beauty and uniqueness. I do not think the flavor is going to be very good on this, but let's give it a shot. And look at those cute little seeds. Now I did cross this with dragon fruit pollen. So I am going to try to grow some of these seeds so we can see what happens. But let's go ahead and give this a little taste and see as a pretest how this will taste and if it possibly could taste better than I assume it will be. I expect that this will taste kind of like rose water and be rather bland. But no, I don't know. I mean, I've only seen one fruit ripe from this plant and it was reddish. So we'll see. I don't think it's going to be sweet, but who knows? I'm going to guess 11. What is your prediction? Ooh, 11 8/10. So not that sweet. I bet it would get sweeter if we left it on the vine even longer. But let's go ahead and get a taste. I've been waiting almost half a year for this, so I'm really excited if you can't tell. Better than I thought, but also has this really vegetal, I guess is the right word. It kind of tastes like vegetables in a way. Let me get another sample of that. I'm actually going to save those seeds. Let's see. It is just a tiny little fruit. Really juicy. The juice itself reminds me of dragon fruit for sure. The texture reminds me a bit of dragon fruit. The seeds like dragon fruit, but it has this like vegetable flavor, but also like a slight, almost like a spice, like a little bit of heat, a little bit of pucker. Now I am taking these seeds in the middle to grow because those are typically the best and the sweetest part of the fruit actually. So, all right, well that's enough seeds. Let's see. Different than other epis I've eaten. I've eaten about a half a dozen epi fruit. They usually taste really floral, like rose water. This is like nothing I've ever had. Now, would I jump and go after this fruit and buy it? No. It's actually, I would probably give it like a 6 out of 10. But really unique. Reminds me a lot more of dragon fruit than I assumed. Very, very unique little fruit. So there you go. That is our first little trial on the Lost Dutchman fruit. The aftertaste is what I don't like. It's a little bit of spicy, a little bit of vegetables. It's like a spicy pepper almost at the finish. Very interesting, very hard to place. So there you go. That is the first review of the Lost Dutchman fruit. All right, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care.